Yeah, I was just setting up the other. Welcome to the energizing yoga session with me. I hope all are ready today. Yes, everybody on the mat? Yes, hello. So good to see you after a break. Hello Shweta, welcome. And yeah, I was just waiting for the people on the Insta handle as well. Shashank Sharma, hey, welcome. Daryosha Agarwal, Shweta Bhalla. Thank you for joining, guys. Let's begin with the session today. We have a good number of people now since we were waiting for everybody to join in. Most welcome, everyone. And I'm glad to be live on both the handles, on Facebook and Instagram. So let's get started. Are we all ready? I hope you can see me clearly. You can hear me clearly. Just give me a thumbs up if you can. Myself, Megha, welcome to today's yoga session. Let's get going. So let's just start.
Hi friends.
Let's just come to the mats. Let's just come to the mat, sit peacefully and connect with ourselves first. Hi Anmol Jain, hi Mahinder Singh. Yes. Alright, so let's start with the first cleanser called Kapalbhati. So for that, let's just sit on the mats peacefully. Just get your water bottles, your hand towels around because it's really getting a bit humid as well. Alright, so just come on your mats. Just take 2 deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale from your mouth with a ha sound. Inhale again. Exhale from your mouth. Alright, let's just begin with Om chant. You can place your hands at the center of your chest. Alright, let's begin with Om. Just one Om. Just to make you, center yourself on the mat. Just come on your mat. आप अपने surrounding से थोड़ा सा disconnect हो जाइए और अपने mat के पास अपने साथ connect होने के लिए we are just doing a little bit of an Om chant. Inhale. Just once more. Inhale. Gently open your eyes and let's come for Kapalbhati. Everybody knows Kapalbhati. It's a cleanser. Okay, it will clean your nerve cells and it will just prepare you. It will of course bring make you more energetic. At the same time, it's just kind of a cleanser that we are doing before practicing the rest of the postures. So of course, yes, today is full body session, full body working out through yoga, different postures, different muscles we will be working upon. Alright, so let's get going with Kapalbhati. Inhale. Just keep exhaling from the nostrils, forceful exhalation. Eleven, 12, 13, 14. Exhale, exhale. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. We are doing Kapalbhati for those who are joining. So often people make a mistake of just closing the features, tightening the face, shoulders ऊपर उठाना, too much of clenching everywhere. वो tightness हमने नहीं करना है, right? So Gauri, hello, Gauri Dhiman, hi. Yes, thank you so much for joining. Welcome to today's yoga session. And yes, guys, we are doing Kapalbhati. Let's do 10 more. Relax. Okay, so just close your eyes. There is no need for you to inhale and exhale. Now your breath is so lighter. You would be observing that your breath is so light. Okay, great. Alright, so let's start with a little opening up for the legs. So we're just coming on the mat. Move your legs this way. Yeah, so with your right hand, stretch your right hand above. Inhale, exhale, try gripping your left hand, left foot and just turn, twist कर जाइए, ठीक है? Twist कर गए, this is the pose. Keep breathing, 5, 4, 3, 2, keep breathing, looking at the back, 1, slowly release. Alright, so now extend your left hand, right पैर को ऊपर करिए, fold it. For those who are beginners, you can grip your ankle if you want. Alright, so turn, just turn to the right direction, look at the back, try bringing your shoulders in a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and release. Now bring both the legs down and just gripping my left now and bring it a little close. 1, 2, try bringing it close. 3, जितना कर सकते हैं. Just follow your body. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's even fine. It's absolutely okay if you are able to hold till here. That's okay. If इतना भी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, it's okay if you hold this way. All right. Just keep trying. Relax. Change your leg. Grip the right leg. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very nice. Keep going. 8, 9 and 10. Slowly relax. Back को सीधा रखिए. Now just fold your left leg. So this is a flow. This is of course going to open up your leg muscles. And now bring this toe close to your chest. We can, press it close to the chest. And taking hands from below, you can place your hands in a namaste and just pull it close to the chest. 1, 2, keep breathing. 3, 4, 5. See what's happening at the sides, at the glutes. 6. I'll take the questions later, please. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Okay. Your questions are most welcome, but the screen is a little bit far. I just cannot see what the questions are coming. So, or I'll have to come forward to check it out. So, just take the right leg, fold, bring it close. पंजे को अपने chest के पास लाइए. Fold. Hands in namaste. 1, hold. Keep breathing. 2, be mindful. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. And now just fold your left leg. Okay. Take your right hand, extend. Now as I exhale, I'm twisting to the opposite direction. I'm using my right hand to press my left knee into the chest. Twist करते जाइए, पीछे देखिए. So this is Ardha Matsyendrasana, a wonderful posture for twisting. This will work on your digestive organs. At the same time, this twisting will relax your spine a lot. Okay? 5, 4, 3, keep holding. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Change. Okay. Now fold the other leg. I'm holding the right. Stretch your left hand as if you're trying to touch the ceiling. Stretch it high. Exhale. Grip the knee and just turn. 1, 2, twist. 3, 4, 5. Look at the back. 6, shoulders in a line. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release. Okay. Both hands up. And let's come to butterfly. Butterfly, everybody knows. Simple. So what we just did was Ardha Matsyendrasana. Excellent for diabetics. Those who want to manage diabetes, just do it every day and hold for about 1 minute. Okay, but you have to of course keep breathing. Focus on your body while you are into some posture. अपना ध्यान आसपास से हटा के बॉडी के साथ कनेक्ट करिए. Yes. Keep going, guys. Wonderful. Keep your spine straight. Legs are in butterfly. Keep going. So this is opening up the hip. And now just extend your legs forward for Paschimottanasana. Inhale, stretch your hands up. So see, my toes are in and the heel is out. Okay, as you exhale, push the belly in. आगे की तरफ स्ट्रेच करते आइए. सेंट्रल एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द स्पाइन आएगी. खींचते जाइए सामने as if कोई आपको सामने को खींच रहा है. Okay, and with this come forward also. Maintain the stretch and come forward, 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 pushing the belly in as you exhale. And come there for Paschimottanasana. Holding your ankles if you can, holding your toes. Stay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, stay there. 5, keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. So from here you can come up. So जो beginners हैं, अगर आप इतना भी कर पा रहे हैं, that's all right. Okay, no need to worry. Even if you know you feel there is a hunch coming in your spine, उसको खराब मत करिए spine को. Stay here. But do not hurt yourself. Okay, so with regular practice, you will see a change in the postures definitely. But you know we are not just going into any competition. We are just competing with ourselves. All right, so we should be better with every session. Try to be better with your practice. Okay, so again I repeat, not for perfection, but we are looking for progression. Slower progressions are good. All right, so now let's just fold. You can, you know, hold the big toe, just like a hook, hold your big toe. And I'm just taking a flow of 2 postures called Halasana and Paschimottanasana. So we are going back to Halasana, this way, coming forward, open up your legs, come to Paschimottanasana. Okay, let's do this. Make sure you have enough space because you would be rolling. So inhale. Open your legs, straight go back. 1. Exhale, come forward. Inhale, go back. Keep rolling. Exhale, Paschimottanasana. Inhale, go back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Go back. Exhale. Come forward. Anyone who has a cervical आप पूरे टोज पीछे नहीं लगाइए. Okay, you just can go halfway to halasana, halfway, and then come forward. Inhale back. Exhale, coming up. Inhale. Just feel that your spine, you know, your spine is really thanking you now. Keep breathing, keep breathing. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Again, stay there. Stay there for 10 counts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, great. So, good job everybody. Good job. Let's come a little bit of doing a little bit of core activation now. So, coming to first, just come on the lie on your spine. Let's do this. Hold your big toe with your hand. Yes, stay here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now come up and come on your hands like this. Your legs are at 60 degree now. 1, 2. Yes, we are doing variations of both pose. Naukasana. 3. Excellent for your core tightening, core toning. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you can come on your forearms. Just lower your legs to 45 degree. 1, 2. Don't drop. 3, 4, 5, 6. Chest open. 7, 8, 9, 10. And just go to 30 degree. And the last one. Yes, guys, keep going. 10, 9. Use your strength. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and drop. Just give yourself a good stretch. Stretch your hands up and the toes forward. Tadasana stretch. हाथ ऊपर कीजिए, पंजे सामने. Relaxing your spine because we will do the one more round of this, but we will do it reverse order. Okay, let's go. So now 30 degree leg raise. 1, 2, 3. Keep going, guys. I know you can do it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now come to 45 degree and I'm on my forearms now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. Keep going. 8, 9, 10. Now lift yourself up. Let your core burn. Let your, middle abdomen, the middle of your abdomen burn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And finally, don't forget, go to 90. 1, 2. You can go back on your spine. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep breathing. 8, 9, and 10. Slowly bring your legs down. Stretch your hands up. Hands up. Stretch your hands up in Tadasana. Toes forward. Give yourself a nice stretch. And of course, an applause to all of those who did not break the flow. Anjali, thank you so much. So glad to see you all. Welcome all of you. Ashish Pawar, hi. Ashima, hi. Ashima Dugal. Dhruv Uppal. Thanks for joining. Alright, so we did a little bit of core activation with the flow right now. Next, What we are going to do is Purvottan. Imran, thank you so much, Imran. Keep going. So now, next, see there are different variations we are doing on different postures, okay? And these are interesting variations which will give a good burn as well, okay? And of course, these are going to target the different muscles of your body. Since we always take whole body, since we meet only once a week, so my focus is on taking the whole body, all right? So, and of course with the breathing exercises too. So, because we want to make the most of this 1 hour that we have. So guys, just come down and again come up. So we are coming to Purvottanasana, alright. So Purvottan, you can call it reverse plank. Let's come up, pelvic up. Yes, come up. You can squeeze your hip ताकि आपके पंजे आगे लग जाए. Okay. Lift your pelvic up, guys. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep breathing. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fold one leg. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. pelvic ऊपर, नीचे मत गिरने दो. 2, 1. Fold the other leg and lift up in table. 1, 2. Stay there. Let your arms get one more strength. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, again, come to butterfly. Great job, people. Okay. Thank you, Vani Lal. Thank you so much. You guys are just awesome. Great to connect with you every week. Alright, so let's come to Malasana. जिनको एक एक सिर्फ पानी लेना था, ले लिया सबने? I did. Okay. Malasana, well, this is excellent for those who have constipation issues. See, you should be practicing it daily in the morning. Once you get up, you can of course do this daily for 3 to 5 minutes, but this needs regularity and this works wonders for your digestion. Spine should be straight. Your elbows are, pushing the knees outward. जो लोग अभी ऐसे नहीं बैठ पा रहे, अपनी हील्स नीचे नहीं लगा पा रहे, आप हील्स के नीचे मॉडिफिकेशन ये कर सकते हैं. हील्स के नीचे कुशन लगाइए और उसके ऊपर बैठिए. So that will make it easier for you. Alright, I hope that helps. Okay, next we are coming for cobra variations, Bhujangasana. So, guys, different variations. Cobra pose is very, I would say it's a wonderful pose if you want to strengthen your spine and also if you want to make your spine more flexible. Alright, so let's, first one, simple, कुछ भी नहीं करना, बस ऐसे आ जाइए. 10 counts के लिए. 10, 9, my weight is on the elbows, forearms. 7, 6, chest open. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come down. And now lift for the second variation of Bhujangasana. Elbows are tight with the body. Okay, inhale. Lift up. So now there is no weight on my hands. My hands are free. पंजे पीछे से नीचे दबाइए. 1, 2, hands are free. 3, 4, you can grip your hands and raise yourself higher. Chest up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent for strengthening. Release. Those who have weak spine, excellent for them. Let's come up for the third variation. Now your hands will be straight. Inhale, arms up. Okay, arms up. Elbows straight. Chest open, shoulders back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My toes are flat from the back. 8, 9, 10. Now just move, just take your thighs up, so come to an upward facing dog. My toes are flat from the back, come to upward facing dog. Chest open, shoulders back. 10, 9, yes, if you want to gain strength, come on. 7, 6, keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, chest open. 1, knees down, relax in Shashank. Shashankasana, hip is down. From here, come to puppy pose. So now my hip will be up and my chest is down, this way. Okay, so this is puppy. Stay there. 5, relax in puppy pose. 4, 3, 2, thank you Shweta. 2 and 1. All right, great job guys. Okay, let's come up. So from here we will just do a little back bend called tuck your toes in. This is called camel pose Uttanasana. So place your hands here, very simple. Chest open, shoulders पीछे लेके जाइए. Thrusting the pelvic forward. Back bend. So practitioners can do this. Heels पे लेके जाइए. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly, let's come up. See, if you feel dizzy, some people might feel dizzy, तो आप अपनी गर्दन को ऊपर कर सकते हैं whenever you do this posture. Alright? Okay. Change. So from here, let's open up the legs a little bit. So for that, we are doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thigh down. 6. Watch your hamstring now. Heel. My toe is in. Again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, chest open always. Change. So in none of the postures you would have noticed the chest closes. Okay, it's always that the chest is open. We are never contracting the anahata, the heart chakra. Heart chakra is always blooming and expanding, so that we are never getting any negative thoughts. We are never getting close to depression. All right. So always let your heart chakra bloom. Always keep your chest expanded. Stay smiling and happy. Okay. So now, change your leg, guys. 1. Push the quadricep of the, see, if you watch me now, I'm just pushing the right thigh downward. Okay, so I'm getting a wonderful stretch here at the quads. So now, at the hands here of the left leg, right quad, left hamstring, right quad, left hamstring, right quad, left ham, right quad, keep breathing, left, and one last. Yes, awesome, great. Let's just come up and let's come to a balancing pose. From here, let's first stretch up for Tadasana. Stretch your hands up, hold, आंखों को एक जगह पे फोकस बनाइए सामने. Stretch your hands up. 1, toes together. 2, 3, focus. 4, 5, slowly down. Okay, great. So next, let's come for balancing. Simple, I'm just making a simple modification of pose. So balance कैसे करना है? Right hand नीचे है, ठीक है? So this is a simple half moon pose. Just trying to balance. Thigh, right पैर को tight करिए, thigh को ऊपर खींचिए, आराम से नीचे जाते हैं और balance करते हैं. Simple balancing. Simple. change. Okay. Now, take the other. I'm not turning the chest, otherwise this posture demands turning the chest as well. But I'm just keeping it simple for you guys. Simply, now my left foot is forward. Make the left thigh quad को ऊपर की तरफ खींचिए, टाइट करिए. Left हाथ की fingertips नीचे. Okay, and you can just stay here. Stay focused. 2, 3. Keep balancing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly from here. Just come to chair. Swoop to chair pose. 1, 2, 3. Hip down. 4, 5. Check करिए आपके knees cross ना कर रहे हो toes को. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, great. जिन्होंने अभी तक closely follow किया है, just give me a thumbs up. Those who have been following it closely, you know, जो आराम से करते जा रहे हैं, आराम से कर पा रहे हैं, कोई किसी को कोई परेशान. I hope all are able to manage. I hope all are able to join the pace. Great. All right. Awesome. You deserve a high five from me. Great, Shweta. Awesome. Sunileshwar, Akanksha, Nikita Digani, Priya Arora, Shweta Bhalla. Awesome. Bubbly Sehgal. Great. Oh, that's okay, Nikita, if you're a beginner. So आप सिर्फ उतना करिए जितना आपकी बॉडी अभी आपको अलाउ कर रही है. ग्रेजुअली आप रेगुलर रहिए. यू विल फील अ लॉट ऑफ चेंज इन योर सेल्फ. ऑलराइट, ग्रेट. तनु, थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू प्रिया, यू आर ऑसम एज वेल. ओके, उज्जल दास, योगेश, थैंक यू. हाय. Okay guys, all right, let's come up. Surya Namaskar time. So, everyone knows the 12 basic postures of Surya Namaskar. Thank you Vanshika. Thank you Priya. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for the appreciation, the encouragement. You guys are wonderful. So let's come for a type 2 variation of Surya Namaskar. बहुत simple है. Surya Namaskar सभी जानते हैं. सिर्फ जो बिगिनर है वो रुक के देखिए, पहले आप पोस्चर को देखिए, देन यू विल बी एबल टू मैनेज. ओके, सो स्टेप 1, नमस्कार. इनहेल बोथ हैंड्स फ्रॉम द साइड अप, बैकवर्ड बेंड, हस्तोत्तान. यहाँ पे सांस रोकना नहीं है. ओके, एक्सहेल, कम डाउन. लेफ्ट लेग को उठाइए, पीछे लेके जाते हैं नाश्ता संचालन. You can place your knee down, the left knee down, chest open. Your fingertips are down, chest open. Now change, lift the left, go to mountain pose. ठीक है, Adho Mukha Svanasana, mountain pose. And from here, you will come, bring your knees down, go to Shashankasana. Go to Shashankasana. ठीक है, मैंने ये वेरिएशन है इसके अंदर. यहाँ से स्लाइड करते हुए आइए, पूरा स्लाइड करिए, चीटिंग मत करना. चेस्ट ओपन, शोल्डर्स गो बैक इन भुजंग. अगेन गो बैक, tuck your toes in and come back to mountain pose. And from here let's come to Malasana. So this is not a basic namaskar. 12 postures मैंने थोड़ा सा modify करा है. And from here inhale, arms up, arching back, and hands in namaste. Okay, I hope you got it. All right guys, thank you Babli ji, thank you so much. So let's join for more rounds of this variation of sun salutation. All right, so this is not a basic one. जो 12 steps होते हैं मैंने उसमें थोड़ा सा modification करा है. So we are taking a variation वाला सूर्य नमस्कार. All right, thank you guys. चलिए, come keep joining in, keep the spirits high, tempo high. Don't lose it, keep going. So, namaste position, namaskar, inhale, arms up, arching back. Exhale down. अब आप राइट लेग लीजिए, राइट डाउन फॉर अश्वसंचालन. राइट नी नीचे है, चेस्ट ओपन है. ओके, चेस्ट ओपन, कंधे पीछे, चेंज, ऊपर उठ जाते हैं. माउंटेन पोज. नाउ ड्रॉप योर नीज, हिप पीछे जाएगा, शशांकासन. शशांक से ही स्लाइड करते हुए चेस्ट डाउन. यूज योर शोल्डर स्ट्रेंथ एंड कम टू भुजंगासन. चेस्ट ओपन. Come up, tuck your toes in mountain pose, back. Jump forward from here. Fold your knees to jump forward to Malasana. Awesome, guys. Inhale, arms up. Arching back. Exhale, namaste. Let's come up. Another round. See, Surya Namaskars are excellent for toning, for weight loss. You know, everybody knows. And who is not inspired by Kareena Kapoor? You know, everyone is. So सभी को पता है कि सूर्य नमस्कार के बेनिफिट्स कितने हैं. बट हाँ, वेरिएशंस करते जा रहे हैं हम, तो हम इसको थोड़ा सा चैलेंजिंग भी बनाते हैं और साथ में थोड़ा और इंटरेस्टिंग बनाते हैं. राइट? सो लेट्स कम अप फॉर द थर्ड वन. It is, you know, encouraging the energy levels. आपका ever, this is my own experience. If you are feeling low, if you are feeling tired, if your lower body is feeling primarily, if your lower body is feeling tired, you can surely do few rounds of Surya Namaskar. Okay? You would, you know, feel rejuvenated, refreshed feel होगा एकदम से ही आपको. So this boosts up you know, a wonderful amount of energy into our muscles, all the muscles, the entire body. So this is one hell of a workout for your entire body. But try being regular. You can do as many repetitions as you can. All right? So that's your call. चलिए, third round. Inhale, arms up. Exhale. Change. Left leg goes back. अश्वसंचालन. अब मैं थोड़ा सा पेस बढ़ा रही हूँ. Chest out. सांस लेना भूलना नहीं है. Up. Mountain pose. चलिए, knees down to शशांक. Stretch करिए. Hip down. Slide up. भुजंगासन. Toes are flat. Change. Mountain pose. Bring your left leg forward and your right leg coming to Malasana. So ये क्यों किया मैंने जंप की जगह? जिनको भी नीज में प्रॉब्लम है, आप जंपिंग की जगह ऐसे ही आएंगे, एक एक पैर को लेके. ओके? Inhale, arms up and go back. Namaskar. Inhale, arms up. Fourth round. Exhale down. Right leg back. Keep breathing. Very important. नहीं तो थक जाएंगे. Keep breathing in every posture. Inhale, exhale. Change. Mountain. From mountain, knees down to Shashank. Child pose. Slide up. Slide. Cheating नहीं करनी, ऊपर से नहीं आना. पूरा नीचे से आइए. Chest नीचे जाते हुए. Now push yourself up. In Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Chest out. Shoulders roll back. Come up. Tuck your toes into mountain. Then jump forward to Malasana. Inhale, arms up, arch back. And hands in Namaste as you exhale. So guys, quickly type in there. Okay. So just quickly type in there how many of the Namaskars are you looking for? 2 more? You know? आप ही बताइए कितनी काउंट करनी है अभी. सो मेनी पीपल लाइव. बताइए, मैं नहीं बताऊंगी. यू कैन जस्ट टाइप इन. यू वॉन्ट 2 नमस्कार्स मोर, यू वॉन्ट 4 मोर, यू वॉन्ट टू कंप्लीट 10. वी हैव डन 4. अपना काउंट लिखिए, मुझे पता चल जाएगा. 4 मोर. ओके, ऑलराइट, दैट्स नाइस. 4. Okay, all right. So we have done 4. Okay. Makes 8. मतलब 4 राउंड कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, चलिए. ओके, few are saying 5 more. Okay, yes. So 4 ज़्यादा लोग कह रहे हैं. चलिए. All right. Okay guys, चलिए. लेट्स डू दिस क्विकली. ब्रेक नहीं लेंगे, जितना लंबा ब्रेक लेंगे उतना थकान ना हो आपको. Let's, the body, I'm really, I hope really everybody is sweating. Okay, Akanksha, let's see. Okay, Pia, let's see. All right, great. So let's complete 10. Chaliye, great. Thumbs up. Okay. Chalo. So let's do that. Do a little quickly. Arms up. Exhale. आप पैर को alternate करते जाइए. ठीक है? Left. Change. Shashank. Slide up as you inhale to Bhuja. Exhale, tuck your toes in mountain. Left leg forward. Keep breathing, guys. Malasana. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, namaste. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, down. So this is now the 6th and I'm using my right leg to go back. Okay? Go back. Change to mountain. Dip your knees to Shashank. Slide. Cobra. Mountain again. Jump forward. Malasana. Awesome. Inhale, arms up. Arch back. Exhale. Namaste. Inhale. 7. Exhale. Left leg back. Right back. Knees down. From Shashank, slide. Exhale. Mountain. Jump forward. And rise up. Exhale. 8th. Right leg goes back. Exhale. Right leg back. Change. Dip your knees. Slide to cobra. Exhale, mountain. Inhale, right up. And the left. Inhale, arms up. Of course, you can jump in all. मैं बिगिनर्स के लिए बीच में जंप माइनस करती हूँ मालासन में से. आप सभी में जंप कर सकते हैं. ओके? और या जिनको नीज में प्रॉब्लम है वो भी जंपिंग ना करें. 2 more guys. Up. Exhale. Back. Change. Knees down. Slide. Keep going. Cobra. Mountain. Malasana. Arms up. Inhale. Exhale, namaste. So, come for the last one, everybody. Okay, great. Ajay Marwa, yes. We'll reach 10. Okay, chaliye. Arms up. Exhale. Change. Left leg. Change. Mountain pose. Now from here, come to a plank, guys. Okay? So this is a surprise variation. This come to a plank. And let's do a twisting here. Bring your elbows down. 1, 2, twist. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Twist. Baseline come करनी है. Twist करिए. 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back to Shashankasana. Slide from here to Cobra. And up. Back to Shashank. Slide to Cobra. Back to Shashank. Slide to Cobra. One more. Slide. Chest down. पूरा ऊपर तक आइए. cheating नहीं करनी. Then come up and jump forward. Arms up. Arching back and relax. Then namaste. Okay, so good job, guys. A high five from me to all. Great job. Okay. Just a little second. The battery is going for the phone. I have to change the location a bit. Yeah, please cooperate. Okay, great. चलिए. I hope you're feeling awesome. How are you feeling? Tell me. Thumbs up. 1 or 2. So of course you would be feeling all drenched, right? You would be feeling super energetic. सारी body में से stiffness निकल गई. Yes. Great job, guys. Okay, चलिए. So next, you can all come on the mat. You can all just come on the mat now. And we will do a little bit of relaxation. So we will do a little bit of relaxation now. Okay? Mat पे आइए. Yeah, so you could just lie down. Great. Oh, so glad. So just relax on the mat. थोड़ा सा रिलैक्सेशन करिए. लेट जाइए मैट पे. सांस को अपना नॉर्मल कर लेते हैं. Just relax. Catch a few breaths there. Yeah. Okay. So we are now, I hope everybody can see me. So now we are just going to relax our legs, relax your lower body, restorative postures. First one, raise your right leg, दूसरा पैर ऊपर रखिए, थाई को अपनी ओर खींचिए, pull the thigh towards you. And release. Change. दूसरा पैर लाइए. Pull it close. Yes. Bring your thigh close. Change. Now. Let's do this. आपने जैसे बैठ के किया था वैसे ही लेफ्ट लेग को मोड़िए और चेस्ट को अपने इसका पंजा अपने पास लाओ. सिंपल, वेरी इजी. रिलीज. राइट लेग को मोड़ो, अपने पास लाओ, चेस्ट के पास लाइए. try bringing your toe close to the chest. Great. Okay. Now, please try to come to पद्मासन. ठीक है, लेट कर पद्मासन लगाने की कोशिश करते हैं. ठीक है, जो नहीं लगा पा रहे वो क्रॉस लेग पोजीशन में आ सकते हैं. एंड वी आर डूइंग दिस, यू नो, दे मे बी दे कैन डू दिस. आधा कर लें और सिंपल क्रॉस लेग पोजीशन में आ जाए. एंड वी आर डूइंग दिस 1 2 3 4. Of course, you can always hold the big toe. 5 6. Keep breathing. 7 8 9 10. Slowly release. Leg CD. Bring more relaxation for yourself. Come to bridge pose. Setu Bandh. Very good for again bringing strength to your spine. बहुत easy है, सभी कर सकते हैं आराम से. बेड पे भी कर सकते हैं आप. It brings a lot of relaxation to your spine. pelvic ऊपर, chest chin साथ में लग गए. 5. shoulders जितने अंदर खींचेंगे उतना अच्छा. 4 3 2 and 1. Slowly come down. Now just come on your elbows. Neck को पीछे drop कर दीजिए. Drop your neck. Rest your crown down. Take a variation of fish pose. Your hands are up straight. Now lift your legs. 1 2. My crown is rolled, guys. Make a note. 2 and slowly down. Now you can straighten your head. सर को सीधा करते हैं आराम से. No jerking here. Yeah, relax. Simple. You can take rolling in happy baby pose now. दोनों legs को मोड़िए. इस तरीके से पकड़ेंगे अपने heels को. ठीक है? You can hold this way from outer and heels एक दूसरे से दूर कर दिया. Now just rolling right and left. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And now finally just bring your both knees down. हाथ दोनों साइड्स में ले जाइए. दोनों नीज में गैप करो. शोल्डर ठीक है. राइट साइड पे ले जाते हैं. गर्दन ऑपोजिट. Both your knees are to the right. The neck is at the left. Come in the center and change. Both legs to the left, neck at the right. Brings a wonderful relaxation to the spine. And slowly just come down for Shavasana. Shavasana, everybody knows, needs no explanation. It's the most awaited posture at times. Just relax, guys, in Shavasana. Cool down your entire body. Cool down. Cool down in Shavasana. Close your eyes. चेक करिए क्या आप शवासन में हैं, पर क्या आपकी बॉडी रिलैक्स्ड है. कभी कभी शवासन में भी रिलैक्स नहीं होता है. हाउ कैन वी चेक दैट? check that there is comfortable distance between your heels. Your tailbone is down, lower back touching the mat. आपके हाथ बॉडी से दूर हैं, पाम सीलिंग की तरफ हैं, शोल्डर्स रिलैक्स्ड हैं, कोई टेंशन नहीं होल्ड करा शोल्डर्स में, ढीला छोड़िए. योर फेस इज रिलैक्स्ड. योर टंग इज रिलैक्स्ड, नो टेंशन हियर. आईब्रो सेंटर्स रिलैक्स्ड हैं. Now let's turn and come up to conclude the session with a little bit of Bhramari breathing to relax you more. Cover both the ears as you sit up. Side से आइए, सीधा नहीं उठते. We want a strong spine. Do not come up straight away, just turn to your side and come up. Okay, so I am closing my ears इस तरीके से, पाम से मैंने बंद करा. 3 बार भ्रामरी ब्रेथ, जैसे हमने इनहेल करके हमिंग करना है, सिंपल. ये वाइब्रेशन जो आप फील करेंगे, अभी वाइब्रेशन होगी विद योर एक्सलेशन. दिस विल रिलीज अ लॉट ऑफ एंजाइटी. ओके, लेट्स डू. इनहेल. Again. Again. Take your hands down. Hands in Chin Mudra. For Om Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you so much. Gently you can open your eyes. You can rub your palms, place this energy on your eyes and your body, and gently open your eyes. Thank you so much. Your questions are welcome. Quick questions. I hope the session was fruitful for you guys, all of you. Thanks so much for joining. Hi Gaurav Kumar. Thank you so much. Guys, we just have few seconds. Your questions quickly. Any questions? I hope the session was great. I just enjoyed the session, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Stay safe. Just take care of yourself and your family. See you again. Thanks for joining. Bye-bye. Take care.